Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is growing melons vertically. So let's get right into the video. So this is our space right here that we are going to grow these melons vertically on this archway trellis. What melons can you grow vertically? Well, you can technically grow any melon vertically on a trellis. If it is a larger melon, you're going to want a pretty sturdy trellis and a way to support the fruit once it becomes a lot larger. We are just growing small personalized melons on this pretty sturdy trellis, so it's not too complicated. Let me show you how. Alrighty, so we're going to take our seed packet. I have the Kajari melon here, and it says that we have to plant each seed 1/2 inch deep. So I'm gonna take a couple of these. I have 3 seeds here in my hand, and we're going to plant these at the base of the trellis. Let me show you. So this is a new archway trellis, and it's never supported anything yet. So I've just recently put some compost down, and it is dried out because it is quite hot. Say hi, Nala. So we're going to have to water this first. So I'm just gonna take So I've wet the soil now, and I'm gonna plant 3 of these Kajari melons on this trellis. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to just imprint where I want the seeds to go. So one there, one there, and one right there. So I'm going to take my seeds. I'm gonna plant 1 per hole. And then we just gotta cover them. Stick it. Then we're gonna just water it in. So that's it. That's all I am going to do on this trellis here, just because we don't want to overwhelm. So that is all I'm putting on that trellis, because I do not want the trellis to get too heavy or too full that it chokes out one of the plants. So let's go plant the other side. I'm sorry about the lighting. I can't fix it. The sun is just not cooperating in my backyard. So we're just going to plant this other personalized melon from Baker Creek. This is a 90-day small melon, so I'm very excited for this one. This will be my first time planting this melon, although I've grown like cantaloupe and watermelon and all that before, but so I've got 3 seeds again. I'm just gonna indent the ground just like I did on the other side. Okay. And take each seed and drop it in the hole. And then I'm just going to cover it. So we're just gonna cover. Cover. And cover. And then we can just water these guys in. So that's how we are going to grow melons vertically on an archway trellis just behind me. And I will definitely do an update video once they come up and the trellis is full. Keep an eye out for all the harvesting vlogs that are coming up. If you guys found value in this video, make sure to subscribe for more, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.